This is a song I wrote for my crazy best friend. Today's his birthday, so let's give him all a hand. I didn't buy a gift, so I wrote this song instead. Hope you listen to it when you lay your head to rest. The song's about our friendship, the day we met at school. I love you, Jake, and I think you're freaking cool. Came into speech class and you were all alone. No one around, so I decided to be my own. You were weird and scary, but I won't forget that day. Went to your house and found you such a stupid Beyblades. But just a few days later we were super cool best friends, just like peas and carrots until the end. We'll be 1,000 miles apart, but you're still my self-fulfilled. I hope you'll be the god of war tonight. We'll be miles apart, but you're still my self-fulfilled. You can be the birthday boy tonight.